How to add business on Google Map. Go to your Chrome web browser. Write Google Business. Select the first link on page. Click on Sign In. Write your business name here. Click on Continue. Choose your business type. Enter a business category. Now enter your business address, including country, street, sector, postal code, and area. Put everything regarding your business here. Select your location here. Now enter your phone number. Read all the details and select them. Now click on Continue. Select a way to get verified. Enter your verification code here. Your request is submitted. Now Google will take some days to verify your business. Now add business hours. Click on Next. Add your business description. Click on Next. Now add photos of your store. If you had photos, add them. If not, skip this step. If you want to advertise your business, continue it. If not, skip this step. You will get this message at the end. You will get everything on your business once you are verified. Click on Continue. Now your business profile is ready to show. You can see it on screen, but it is only visible to you, and it will be visible to everyone on Google Map once verified. Wait for some days. That is how you can add business on Google Map. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.